Plant FAQs. Colocasia yellow splash. Colocasia yellow splash, your guide to the vibrantly variegated elephant ear. Hi, Ferbvu here. Today we're diving into the world of the stunning Colocasia yellow splash, a plant that brings a burst of sunshine indoors. This beauty is a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts, and for good reason. Its large, dramatic leaves boast a unique variegation of green and creamy yellow, making it a conversation starter in any room. If you're considering adding a Colocasia yellow splash to your collection, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about this tropical wonder, from care tips to potential challenges. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Colocasia yellow splash? The Colocasia yellow splash is a cultivar, cultivated variety, of the Colocasia esculenta, also known as the elephant ear plant. It's native to Southeast Asia and thrives in warm, humid environments. The yellow splash variety stands out with its large, heart-shaped leaves. The foliage boasts a mesmerizing combination of silvery green and bright yellow variegation, with patterns unique to each leaf. Is Colocasia yellow splash easy to care for? Absolutely. The Colocasia yellow splash is known for being a relatively low-maintenance houseplant. Here's what you need to know to keep yours happy. Light. This plant prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent moisture is key. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry, but avoid soggy conditions. Soil. A well-draining, fertile potting mix is ideal. Consider adding perlite or orchid bark for extra drainage. Humidity. Colocasia yellow splash thrives in high humidity. Grouping it with other humidity-loving plants, using a pebble tray, or running a humidifier can help. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. How big does a Colocasia yellow splash get? On average, a mature Colocasia yellow splash can reach a height of 3 to 4 feet, with a spread of 2 to 3 feet. However, growth rate can vary depending on light, temperature, and pot size. Is Colocasia yellow splash toxic? Yes, unfortunately, Colocasia yellow splash, like all colocasias, is toxic if ingested. It contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation and mouth pain if consumed. Keep this plant out of reach of children and pets. Can I grow Colocasia yellow splash outdoors? Yes, but with a caveat. Colocasia yellow splash can be grown outdoors in USDA hardiness zones 7B to 10B, where temperatures rarely dip below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. However, it requires a protected location with well-drained soil and afternoon shade. If you live in a colder climate, you can enjoy it outdoors during the summer months and bring it indoors before the first frost. How do I propagate Colocasia yellow splash? Propagating your Colocasia yellow splash is a rewarding experience. The easiest method is through division. Carefully remove the plant from its pot when it's actively growing. Look for the rhizomes, underground stems, connecting the individual plants. Using a sharp, sterilized knife, divide the rhizomes, ensuring each section has at least one growth bud, Repot each division in a well-draining potting mix and water thoroughly. What's the difference between Colocasia yellow splash and caladium? Both Colocasia yellow splash and caladiums are popular houseplants known for their beautiful foliage. However, there are some key differences. Leaf shape. Colocasia leaves are typically larger, arrowhead-shaped, with a prominent central vein. Caladium leaves come in various shapes, including heart-shaped, lobed, and lance-shaped. Variegation. Colocasia variegation often involves green and yellow patterns, while caladiums boast a wider range of colors, including pink, red, white, and purple. Toxicity. Caladiums are also toxic if ingested. Light. Caladiums generally prefer slightly more light than Colocasia yellow splash. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference and the light conditions in your home. Where can I buy a Colocasia yellow splash? Colocasia yellow splash can be found at many online plant retailers and local nurseries. Look for a healthy plant with vibrant foliage and no signs of pests or diseases. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the beauty of Colocasia yellow splash for years to come. With its stunning variegation, easygoing nature, and air-purifying properties, This tropical wonder is sure to become a treasured addition to your indoor jungle. So, why not add a touch of sunshine to your space and bring home a Colocasia yellow splash today?